Welcome, sir. I've booked this room number 43 for you. Actually, sir, this guest house has opened recently. That's why we don't have much visitors yet. Please check your room, sir. If you don't like it, I will change the room.
No. It's okay, Mr. Datta. That won't be necessary. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Congratulations, Mithai. You have snatched my grandpa from me. The man who's the most important person in my life, you have pushed him away from me. Good revenge. Very good revenge. Whatever I have said is the truth. Since that girl has arrived, I don't know why, but Grandpa's also drifting away from me.
No matter whether you consider Mithai as your wife or not, you have no right to disrespect the daughter-in-law of my family.
Till date, there wasn't anyone by my side except Grandpa. Today, because of that girl, Grandpa spoke so harshly to me. How could he? This is not done.
Should I call grandfather's grandson once? No. He will disconnect the call as he hears my voice. I am kind of ruining Mr. Bittergourd's life. Now I have to talk to grandfather and make him understand. I have to make everyone understand. Mr. Bittergourd isn't being able to handle it anymore. Mr. Bittergourd's life is pocked with all the problems, and Mithai is also no less of a problem. Everything goes wrong. No, Mithai. You should control yourself now. I have to control myself.
Two fire engines are trying to extinguish the fire, but in vain. Right now, a third engine has joined the force.
See this
The
now.
fire brigade
I
and
can't
police
even
are
switch off
trying
the
to
TV.
control the
Everything is-
fire. Devastating fire at the new guest house of international firm PCG.
Above the bypass, a high-rise building caught fire just a few minutes ago.
The fire brigade and police are trying to control the fire.
Hello? PCG guest house? Yeah, I need a room. I'm Siddharth Modak.
Oh Lord! Lord, what did I hear? This is the house. Yes, he mentioned before leaving that he was going to that house. What have you done, Lord? What have you done? Oh Lord, please help me reach Mr. Bittergourd. I'll never ask for anything else from you. Nothing at all. If anything happens to grandfather's grandson, everyone will die out of grief. Please do not let Mr. Bittergourd be inside that house.
Don't let anyone come close to this building. Make an announcement. This whole street will be cornered off. And yes, send the news to the head office. The fire can spread any moment now. Where's the manager of the guest house? Call him.
Yes, sir.
Are you the manager of the guest house?
Yes, sir.
Since how long you've been working here?
The guest house is newly opened, sir.
This is Mr. Bittergourd's car. That means I'm right. That building. What should I do now? Whom should I ask?
Sir, please give us some idea about how you are going to rescue those who are stuck inside.
What are you doing? Come back! Where are you going? Can't you see that the fire is spreading? Come back and stand here.
But I have to go inside, officer.
Come back, I said. Come behind this line. Come here.
Why were you going inside?
Where is the person whom this car belongs to?
That is Siddharth Modak's car.
Yes.
He's stuck inside the building.
Is he stuck? Oh Lord, what have you done?
Hey, don't go inside. Can't you see the barricade?
But
Listen, we are here to help. Don't worry, we are trying our best. Officer, listen.
listen.
Yes.
Oh God. Which floor is he in?
He's on the same floor that has caught fire. Room number 43.
43.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'll give the phone to him.
Everybody is trying to extinguish the fire from outside. But if something happens to him in the meantime, I have to go inside right now. Oh Lord, take my life, but he shouldn't be harmed. Please help me this much. Please help. Please help me, Lord.
Mr. Samresh! Mr. Samresh! Mr. Samresh! Mr. Samresh!
Coming. Who's that?
It's me, Mrs. Roy,
Oh,
Mr. Samresh.
Mrs. Roy, what brings you here at
Sorry,
this
the
hour?
door was open. I couldn't see anyone, so I came inside. Did you get the news, Mr. Samresh?
News? What news?
PCG guest house, Tess and Sid's company's new guest house has caught fire. And Sid's car has been spotted there.
What? What are you saying, Aunt Revati? Sandy, Sid has gone to that very guest house.
Has Siddharth gone to a guest house? But why? Look, Mrs. Roy, I'm completely unaware of all this. Have just returned home. No one has informed me anything yet. Sandy, why didn't you inform me anything? What happened? Say something.
Actually, today evening, Grandpa scolded Brother Sid.
No.
So Sid got angry and left home suddenly. He went to PCG guest house. He just went a while ago, uncle. We all thought that Sid should be left alone for some time, so
We will get the clear picture on news. Mr. Samresh, a fire broke out at the guest house. Can you realize how grave the situation is? Tess's boss, Mr. Ghosh, had called up Tess. Sid isn't available on phone, Mr. Samresh. Mr. Samresh, I've brought the car. Come along with me right now.
Yes, I'll
Please,
go,
Mr.
I'll go.
Samresh.
But where should we go?
Be
Where is the
steady,
TV
Mr.
remote?
Samresh. What has happened?
Uncle,
Neepa,
Uncle,
Neepa,
what has happened to you?
look for the TV remote. Don't just stand here numb.
Yes.
Uncle,
Hey, wait. Sandy, listen, make sure that Dad doesn't come to know about this. Understood? Or else Dad will be devastated please ask your dad to come back home immediately. I'm feeling very nervous.
Mr. Samresh, you can't feel perplexed now. You have to be steady. Come on, Mr. Samresh. Please come along. We can't
What?
waste time now. Let's go.
Yeah.
We're leaving.
be careful, Uncle.
Yes. Do what I just told you.
Sure.
I'm going.
Be careful.
No.
Could you fix it?
No, we are not able to fix
Oh
this.
Lord, how did the remote break? We can't even switch on the TV now.
What the crap? I can't find the switch either.
Sandy, this isn't happening. Neepa, phone. Bring your phone. Let's watch live news. There's no other way. Wait a second. Mithai was downstairs, wasn't she? Where is Mithai? Mithai!
That's right. Where is Mithai? Hey, Shri, come here, listen to me. Why did Aunt Revati say that no one was present there? Shri, the door was open. That means Mithai.
Sandy, come here and see the news. See
What?
this? See this?
Devastating fire has broke out in this area. Police has already evacuated a lot of people from this area. We have already received the news that a person has got stuck in the fire and is apparently an employee of PCG.
This is disastrous, Sandy. Tell me, what should we do now?
No, this can't happen. Sid can't punish us all so severely. No.
Mithai? Has Mithai seen the news?
It's me. Tell me, where are you? Tell me, where are you? Oh, Lord. So this is room number 42. But what was his room number? What did the man say? Whatever it is, that means he's somewhere over here. Oh, please. Please respond. Oh Lord, he shouldn't be harmed. Please. Where are you? Tell me, where are you?
Help! Help, please! Is there anyone? Help! Help! Help, please!
He's there. Listen, I'm here. Don't worry. Listen, don't panic. I'm here. We have to get out of here. We have to get out of here. Please hold my hand and try to get up.
What are you doing here? Please go out of here. Just save yourself.
I won't leave you here. Get up, please. Get up. You can do it. You have to get up. You have to do it for grandfather. You have to do it for yourself. Get up. Get up. I'm pulling you. Please try to get up.
I can't breathe. Just go.
No,
Leave me
I
alone.
won't
Go.
go. But I won't leave every time. I can't go away living here, Miss Danger. Or else, but I wouldn't have come here in the first place. No matter you believe it or not, I believe in marriage. I might not be your wife, but you're my... I'll take you out of here no matter what. Lord, help, get up. Lord, please help me. Please get up. Please get up. Get up. I'll take you out of here. Come on. Be strong. Come with me. Keep walking. Lord. Wait. Wait. Be careful. Be careful. Listen. Open your eyes. You are all right. Be strong. Water. Where will I get water now? There is water in that room. But how will I reach that room? How will I reach that room? No, Mithai. You have to reach that room. Lord, please help. Help. Water. It is right here. Water. Lord, open your eyes. Open your eyes, you're okay. You're safe. Open your eyes. Please open your eyes. Please open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Keep breathing. Lord, please protect him. He's opened his eyes. Thank you for your help, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you. I was too scared.
Mithai,
Listen, nothing will happen to you. Lord, please protect him. Please keep him safe.
Mithai. 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 Oh no. What happened to you? Mithai, wake up! Hey, Mithai! Mithai! मिठाई मिठाई Is anybody there? Help! Is anybody there? Is anybody there?
All you can say that PCG guest house is still ablaze. The situation inside is still unknown. 2 fire engines are trying to extinguish the fire, but in vain. Right now, a 3rd engine has joined the force. We are clueless. Can you please tell us, sir? What is the situation inside?
Sir, please
What's
help
the
me out.
strategy?
Sir.
How are we going to rescue all of them?
So please help me out. Please call the ambulance, please. Please.
Come fast.
Mom, Sid and Mithai are together. Yes, Mom, they're coming out of the guest house together and it's showing on the TV.
Mithai. Open your eyes, Mithai. Hey, Mithai.
Mithai's on the stretcher and Sid is holding her hand.
Please do something, please.
Please go back. Go back home.
Mithai? Hey, Mithai.